steering wheel. It's going straight down the road. So it's a nice driving car. There we're coming up temperature about 170. That switch over there is for your cooling fan. So I just got it on. Very nice driving car, got tilt wheel, just a fun car if you want to do burnouts too, because it really lights them up. So if you're looking for something that really looks good, I mean, this is a show quality car. It looks good enough. I mean, there's a couple small little imperfections, but it's definitely one you can be proud of wherever you go with it. And everybody's gonna turn their head when you stomp on it. So great sounding exhaust. Got some Hotchkiss suspension front and rear, so just makes it nice to corner. Power front disc brakes. Got 12-volt rear end. So you got any questions? Give me a call. 605-695-7391.